In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a slide in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for a big meeting or an academic project, sometimes there are slides that you may not need to show to your audience. Maybe it contains additional information just for your reference, or perhaps you have content that isn't quite ready for the spotlight. Whatever your reason, hiding a slide can be a useful tool in keeping your presentation streamlined and professional. Let's walk through the process. First, you'll want to open your presentation in Google Slides. Once it's loaded, you'll notice there's a sidebar on the left. This is commonly referred to as a film strip view, which provides you with a thumbnail preview of all your slides for easy navigation. In this sidebar, find and click on the specific slide you want to hide. This ensures it's selected and ready for the next steps. Now, once your slide is selected, there are two simple ways you can choose to hide it. The first method involves using the right-click feature. Simply right-click on your selected slide, and from the context menu that appears, choose the option labeled Skip Slide. It's straightforward and gets the job done quickly. Alternatively, if you prefer using the top menu, you can also navigate this process by directing your attention to the top of your screen. Here you'll see various options such as File, Edit, and View, amongst others. You're going to want to click on Slide. This will unfold a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll again select Skip Slide. Both of these methods achieve the same result, and selecting one over the other simply comes down to personal preference or habit. Once you've chosen to skip the slide using either method, you'll notice an icon will appear on the slide's thumbnail in the sidebar. This icon looks like an eye with a slash running through it, and it serves as a visual cue that this particular slide is now hidden. It won't be visible during your presentation mode, but don't worry, it's still there in your file and can be unhidden whenever you need it. Remember, the hidden slide will remain in your slide deck and can be easily unhid if or when you decide to include it in your presentation once again. This nifty feature doesn't alter your slide's content, it just ensures it doesn't disrupt your presentation flow. So, there you have it, a quick and easy guide to hiding slides in Google Slides. I hope you find this process as simple and convenient as it truly is. Happy presenting!